Hey guys, so we're continuing where we were left off. We've got two sides here. We've got this side where Spencer and Taylor are beating me and Adam, and this side where Travis and Austin are beating Joel and Cody. So we're going to finish this thing off pretty soon. I think the game's not got much longer in it. We'll see what happens here. So they're pushing. We're trying to hold. It's not doing very well. We see Travis here. Austin's getting in. Austin is in right here, and he's wrecking Joel. Or Joel. He's trying his hardest. Let's look at what's going on with Joel. How bad has the damage been? What's the bleeding look like? So Joel has lost almost all of his food, is what's going on. So, and we see here that Austin is now wrecking Joel's economy. It's weird that Austin chose Joel. I mean, happy to... I get you want to take out your enemies, but Joel's not the enemy that's holding him back. Regardless, Austin's just having his way over here. Over here, see that Adam is kind of holding on his own over here. Yeah, Joel's turned, and they're trying to get Austin out of there, but Austin's just pillaging away. See, Adam's doing good work. His leadies they're a solid thing. I've almost cut through here, but it's not quite happened yet. You see Austin's just bringing more troops in. And so is Travis. They're just trying to split things. So this side here, the Joel and Austin side, is just falling. You see a bunch of paladins in the trade right next to a castle. So you would think that would be, a better spot. Over here, if we look, I've cut through. So this is kind of our final Hail Mary. We'll see what happens. Because I get in. They've pushed Austin out, it looks like. Travis is not it. So they're holding over here. Looks like Joel's putting up a wall. Meanwhile, Travis is right there. Austin's doing another plunge. The other side. It's just not much. Just not enough. And now we see that they've walled off again. So, it's not enough. Over here, we're holding by a thread. Everything's imploding at this point. Austin's now hit Joel even harder. Joel has no food at this point. None. It's no longer an option. But they put up another wall, which, good for them. Job boys, but I think it's too little too late. Now Austin's wiping out Cody's economy. See, Joel's got, a bunch of trade cards that are just sitting. I don't know what's going on with that. Cut around. We're trying to get in, but it's not enough. If I'd cut through here at the beginning, I'm interested to see how the game would have gone, because it would have been closer to Adam. They didn't have this walled off at the beginning. It's a little more open. Although the other side wasn't that bad. So, who knows? But either way, I quit at that point. And that's the game. Well played, Taylor, Travis, Spencer, and Austin. Cody, Adam, Joel, I'm sorry we failed. Yeah, I thought that, me and Adam could beat Taylor and Spencer, but Spencer's next level and Taylor's playing awesome. So when we look at the stats, Taylor's military score is light years ahead of everyone's. Taylor really rocks it. Adam did a really good military as well. I felt like mine was low. I should have been better. But it is what it is. Taylor killed a ton. Travis lost a ton. I lost more than Travis. Wow, Travis, you suck at Goths. yeah. So that was that. Here's our economy stuff. Me and Travis had. Travis, why do you put so much gold as the gods? I don't get it. It makes no sense to me. But whatever. Actually, Travis, you should keep doing that. Keep getting lots of gold as the gods. Love it. So there's that. Taylor with the relics. Adam with the relics. Adam with 10 castles. I love it. I had 6 castles. Not bad. Yeah. Here's our timeline. Not that that makes any difference, but yeah. GG, guys. Can't wait to catch you on the next time.